AI tools are everywhere in 2025. But what if you're just starting out? No coding, no fancy setup, just real results. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that you can start using right now. Whether you're building a side hustle, launching a small business, or just trying to save time. And no, you don't need a $500 a month subscription or a programming degree. Let's dive in. First up is Canva AI. This is hands down the easiest design tool out there. If you're not a professional designer, but still need to create logos, social media posts, or YouTube thumbnails, Canva has your back. Their magic design feature lets you just type a prompt or upload a photo, and it generates full layouts, font combinations, and design suggestions. It's drag and drop, fast, and works on mobile too. Perfect for beginners creating Pinterest pins, Fiverr gig images, or Instagram carousels. I personally use it for YouTube thumbnails, and it saves me 30 minutes per video. If you need a website and have zero experience with coding or WordPress, Durable.co is the tool for you. It's an AI website builder that lets you create a full site just by typing your business name and what it does. In about a minute, you get a professional-looking homepage, service section, about US page, even images and branding. It's ideal for freelancers building online portfolios, local businesses, or affiliate marketers who want a landing page without hiring a web developer. Next is Looker, an AI-powered logo and brand kit generator. Just type in your brand or business name, pick your style, and it gives you dozens of logo options to choose from. What's cool is that it doesn't stop at logos. It also generates brand color palettes, mock-ups, business card designs, and even social media kits. This is a goldmine for small business owners in the USA or Canada. Copy.ai is similar to ChatGPT, but it's focused entirely on marketing. It's made for writing product descriptions, ad copy, social media posts, and email campaigns. It's perfect for Shopify sellers, Fiverr freelancers, content creators, basically anyone who needs words that sell. And it comes with dozens of pre-built templates that make it super easy to use. If you're doing any kind of online selling or content creation, this tool can save you hours. Last but not least, Adobe Podcast Enhance. This free tool is magical if you record audio for YouTube, podcasts, or voiceover work. You just upload your audio and it removes background noise, boosts clarity, balances your voice, and makes it sound like you recorded in a studio, even if it was from your phone. For creators in the USA or Canada who want to sound professional without expensive mics or software, this is a no-brainer. So there you go, 5 AI tools that are perfect for beginners in 2025. Pick 1 or 2 that match what you do, whether that's writing, designing, selling, or recording, and just start. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description below. Some of them are totally free or have free plans you can try. And if you want more content like this, AI tools, side hustles, or Fiverr strategies, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.